Hello everyone. I'm Mansi Mishra. Guys, are you all thinking why I'm wearing mask today? So today I'm going to have my salon session. I'm going to be bride very soon after some months. So guys, want to tell you all that how preparations are going on in these lockdown days. So guys, today today, hello everyone. Hello. So today I'm here for my waxing and for facials and all. I already had 2 sessions of salons. First was related to hairs. I had keratin on my hairs because 1 year ago I went through for straightening treatments. So I took keratin treatment then, and that day basically I went through highlights, haircuts and all. So today all you can ask here what sort of preparation we can do nowadays. Hello. Hi Sakshi. You all can ask what kind of preparation let me show you how things are going here. Like everyone is wearing mask and face shields. See how the sessions are going on. The best facial is according to the skin of your face. Whether you have dry skin, this is hygiene. Whether you have dry skin or oily, it's totally depend on that. It is totally hygienic. You all can see that I showed you here that everyone is wearing face mask, shields with proper hair cap and gloves. You can tell how can you take care of our hairs. Guys, hairs basically nowadays, as monsoon is here, so what we can do, we don't need to go outside and to have fun outside in monsoon. We can go through more and more hair massage and have quick hair wash. So on 28th my engagement will be there. So on that day we will also have a live session. You all can enjoy how Indian engagement ceremony goes on. You take care of the dry skin. Hey Shweta, we actually dry skin is, I told you, dry skin, you need to moisturize more and more with which moisturizer suits you well, because dry skin you can use aloe vera gel also. That's is very natural and suits every skin. And for oily skin, cleanliness is very important. I'll have as I had 2 sessions of salons, and today I'll have, and 2 more sessions I'll have for body and all, for body polishing and all. Right, these days no too much customers are there in the salons because of everyone is so scared of this COVID. So no rush, we can easily have fun. And thank you for the complimenting my hairs. Thanks Veena. This is Crystal Salon from Kanpur, UP. Oh, your one of your friend is going to be bright soon. Her skin is oily. How can she? Basically what we do. Even I too have oily skin, and I got so many pimples because of that. So what we can do, basically cleanliness. You can wash your face at least thrice a day. You need to do thrice a day, and after that, what you can do, you can don't go for that kind of moisturizer which is too much oily. So put bit of, cleanliness is must in oily skin. Everyone is too busy here, otherwise I'll let you know कि और क्या क्या hey, can I take your a bit how you feeling here?
Me?
Hey, how you're having your session here? Are you enjoying this?
Yeah, I'm enjoying this.
Okay. Okay, tea tree oil is good for spot treatment. Okay. Best serum for dry skin. Serum is what I won't go for serum because मेरे को सूट नहीं करता. I have oily, as sometimes it goes dry also. Basically I use mask sheets. Sorry, I can't remove the mask. It is very important nowadays to have mask on your face, so I can't remove it. I think I have already done a session with some girls. So hemp seed oil is also great. Okay, for oily skin. So let me tell you once. Hey, what kind of facial a bride should go for? कैसा फेशियल लेना चाहिए एक ब्राइड को एंगेजमेंट से पहले, अगर उसकी ऑयली स्किन है तो?
अगर उसकी ऑयली स्किन है तो फेशियल वो लोटस में भी ले सकती है, लोटस प्रोफेशनल में.
ओके.
इंस्टा फेयर, गोल्ड शीन. अगर एक्सेस फेयर है तो वो गोल्ड शीन ले सकती हैं. और अगर थोड़ा सा स्किन मतलब डल है तो वो इंस्टा फेयर ले सकती हैं.
ओके, शी इज टेलिंग मी अगर स्किन डल है तो इंस्टा फेयर ले सकती हैं, अदरवाइज लोटस कैन बी गुड फॉर स्किन, एंड O3+ इज वेरी गुड.
O3+ एक्सेस ड्राई स्किन.
One second. O3+ is for excess dry skin, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Else you all can ask. We have professionals here. I can ask any question and they'll let you know what is good for your skin. Yeah, this is budget friendly too. Lotus brightening serum. Vitamin E capsule using good for or bad? Vitamin E capsule क्या अच्छा होता है या बुरा?
वो फेस पे ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं करना चाहिए.
अच्छा, ओके.
मतलब कुछ केसेस में वो अच्छा होता है और कुछ केसेस में वो नहीं अच्छा होता है.
अच्छा, कुछ केसेस में वो सूट करता है विटामिन ई, सम केसेस दैट डजंट गो फॉर.
अगर आप प्रोफेशनल यूज़ कर रहे हो,
हाँ, अगर आप प्रोफेशनल यूज़ करते हैं तो दैट विल बी गुड.
विटामिन सी के कैप्सूल की नीड नहीं है.
अगर आप प्रोफेशनल चीज़ें यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो फिर आपको इन विटामिन्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाउ टू ग्रो योर नेल्स? ग्रोथ कैसे बढ़ाएंगे नेल्स की? बिकॉज आई टू हैव शॉर्ट नेल्स नाउ डेज एंड आई एम गोइंग टू इंगेज वेरी सून. सो ऐसे ये नेल्स का ग्रोथ कैसे बढ़ाएंगे? आर यू एबल टू लिसन हर ऑल्सो गाइज?
इस ऑयल कैप्सूल आते हैं जो मसल्स के और एक्सपी के, उससे ग्रोथ होती है नेल्स की भी, हेयर की भी, और स्किन भी अच्छी होती है.
वेट Okay, fine. So how can we grow our nails?
अगर आपको नेल्स वगैरह जैसे ग्रो करनी है
हाँ,
उनकी,
हाँ.
तो आप फिश ऑयल की कैप्सूल ले सकते हैं.
Fish oil capsules for growing your
और
nails.
नायका के जो एसेंशियल ऑयल आते हैं.
For nails growth.
हाँ.
Okay, for nails growth it's kind of hack. Guys, essentials oils you can use on your nails for growing that.
सनड्रॉप जो है आप अपने उसमें बॉडी लोशन में मिक्स करके अप्लाई कर सकते हो.
You can put some drops of your Nykaa essentials oils and on body moisturizer
मॉइस्चराइजर
and put on your nails. This will
coconut
grow
oil.
your, or coconut oil. This will grow your nails very fast. You know, it's a good hack. I got to know here. Guys, we will have one more session after some day, and on 28th we will be live with my engagement. So be there to have more fun with Indian engagement ceremony, and then I'll be there with some more sessions of bridal preparations. So guys, bye bye, and stay tuned with Evento, and let's make your day special with Evento. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.